Hello, it's Chris from the Customer Success team here at AgentRelay, and today I'm going to talk to you about insights. Admin users have access to insights across all viewings related data in an organisation. Agents can only access insights data relating to the properties for which they are the lead agent. Firstly, agent-guided viewings. This section lists all agent-guided virtual viewings that have been undertaken for the agent in an agent's view or across the organisation in an admin user's view. For agent-guided viewings, filters allow viewings data to be refined by property, agent and date. Additional details include the number of invitees per property, the status of the viewing and whether the viewing was started, not started or ended. Next is self-guided viewings. This section lists all self-guided viewings in which visitors explore Matterport virtual tours without an agent that have been undertaken for the agent in an agent's view or across the organisation in an admin user's view. This includes data on anonymous visitors who have clicked to view Matterport virtual tours from general links shared by the agency on their marketing channels and virtual visits by guests after having undertaken an agent-guided virtual viewing using follow-up links to properties shared by the agent. Okay, the next is visitor insights. This section shows the various visitor touchpoints in relation to Matterport virtual tours. This can help build a picture of the customer's journey and the various properties they have viewed. It also allows agents to filter all visitor touchpoints on those that might need further action, for example where visitors have requested an agent-guided viewing and scheduling or follow-up is required. Okay, so the main visitor insights menu provides details on the visitor's name, initial touchpoint, date, time and an action button, an option which further allows the user to drill down into the visitor's various touch points across all Matterport virtual tours they have viewed. So here it is. If we press the action button, we've got all the touch points here. Okay, so the touch points available include attended agent guided viewing, attended a self-guided viewing, they contacted the agent, clicked a contact agent button, clicked request a guided viewing button and so forth. There are a number available. Okay, so let's go back and here are the event types that I just talked about. So there are a number available. Okay, so we're going to go now to property insights. This section shows visitor engagement statistics for specific Matterport tours as a single view. Data in this view can be reviewed internally and shared with the related client for the specific property to show how the virtual property content is performing. The main Property Insights menu provides a list of all the properties, total number of agent-accompanied viewings for each property, the property reference and an action button, allowing users to drill down into further visitor information for each Matterport virtual tour. So here's the action button. There you go, and those are all the different touch points. Okay, next, registration insights. This section offers performance data including relating to Matterport virtual tour templates, including registration and contact statistics for visitor engagement on Matterport tours. In essence, this allows users to understand how well the Matterport virtual tour templates are performing in driving visitor contact and registration. These statistics can be filtered by both property, start date and end date. Okay, so finally we've got sources insights. This section offers data detailing the sites which are referring Matterport virtual tour visitors, helping agents to ascertain the performance of these sources of Matterport virtual tour clicks. These referrers may include the agency's own website, social media such as Facebook, paid advertising, MLS and property portal links. By default, the reporting includes visitors who did not register and those who have viewed virtual tours after agent-guided viewings using links shared by the agent. These can be removed from the data presented by clicking the relevant exclusion chat boxes. And that's it, a very quick overview of insights. Thank you.